Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Here we'll look specifically at the plasticity response of a ductile material and its impact on both the stress and strain behaviour. Material plasticity is a non-linear phenomenon that occurs after the material yield point. The plastic stiffness of a material will depend on how the stress-strain curve has been defined. Once a material has entered the plastic region, any load removal will leave permanent deformation in a structure. We'll show a number of examples of how different plasticity methods lead to different levels of permanent deformation. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.